So we now have the GTR R32 in the house. rb26. My little brother is trying to restore this old Nissan Godzilla. 18 rims. I don't know what kind of rims are these. Maybe Volks race. Skyline. Unfortunately, I don't have spare time to do a test drive. What rudder caliper we have here? Nissan Sumitomo. Rims, Volkway Mads, or sizes 265/35 R18. Drilled rotors. I'm going to check the back. It's also disc brake, rear brake. Of course, it's a sports car. They remove all the windows and paint. It's not yet done. This is an OEM spoiler. I'm gonna try this one. They also removed this one before repainting it. And it's a bucket type seat. I don't know if this is an original Nissan shift knob. As you can see, you still need to restore the ceiling. It's got all parts, license plates. Not sure if this one is working. Let's check it out. Yep, it is. I don't know how to set it back. I'm a noob. I'll do that later. I think he installed turbo timer. Yep, I can see myself over there. Crap. And you still need to look for a radio. Air conditioning system is not yet working. You still need to fix and replace this one. Aircon louvers, I don't know what it is. So this is the real Godzilla R32 rb26. I don't know how to pop the hood. Let me try, give it a shot. Where? Maybe this one. There you go. I'll just pause this one. By the way, this is a converted GTR, left from right hand to left hand. So we need to change this. It doesn't want light blue. Looks like MMDA. And need to change bolts and tubes. twin turbo, all stock, RB26. I'm not sure if this is aftermarket or an old stock. Well, that's all for now. I really don't have time to do a test drive. Maybe tomorrow or So again, this is a conversion. Right-hand drive to left-hand drive. BNR32 rb26dett. Nismo. It's not my car, but said that I can use it. So it's missing the wipers. I just noticed that it doesn't have wipers. Where are the wipers?